welcome to the journey of Rise. And if you're new, welcome. And to my subbies and my Loc friends, welcome back. Today's video is all about my 9-month Loc update. I just turned 10 months, so I'll give you everything about my 9 months. It's very exciting. So if you have not already, definitely hit that subscribe button and we will get into it. That you enjoy that little snippet of my transformation. I believe it was December 10th, I did a retwist and 2 strand twists, and I actually kept it in for a week and maybe 3 days, and voila, here you go. I love it. I started styling my hair every time I do a retwist because it actually stays longer. So yeah, this is how I like it, and I love the curly crimpy look, so definitely get accustomed because this is how you guys will be seeing me now on. So in my 8-month Loc update, I did say that I'll be trimming my ends as part of my regimen, and I'm actually sticking to it. Reason being, it defines the Loc even more. No straggly ends, nothing just excessive there. So that's one thing that I'm continue doing from my 8-month Loc update. I always trim the ends every time I wash my hair. Speaking about wash days, I have some exciting news for you guys, so let me just get into it. So I try to keep my hair clean maybe every 2 weeks, but sometimes it goes longer. The most I've been without a wash was like 3 to 4 weeks. So I think 3 to 4 weeks is okay without a wash, but I do try to wash it every 2 weeks. It's not a big deal, but once it's washed a month, like, I'm good with that. So I'm still using my regular tea tree hydrating shampoo. That one is thicker, so I just wash my hair once with that. And I actually have a new one. I'm actually gonna put a Instagram feed right here so that you can see, because I did do a post. If you follow me on Instagram at Loc Journey _Sherise, you will see that I keep my Instagram fairly updated. I try to upload a picture video maybe once a week or twice a week. Sometimes you get more, but definitely at least once a week. So I wash my hair. I tried a new shampoo and I also tried conditioner. The African Black Soap Bamboo Charcoal Deep Cleansing Shampoo, I was very impressed. It was very thin, so you have to use more. It will lather, yes, but not too much. But it does do a deep clean. It gets rid of all the excess dirt, the excess oils, the flake, the buildup, all of those stuff. So my hair was squeaky clean. And I did say I used conditioner, but it wasn't any conditioner. I used the Rosemary and Mint Design Essential Conditioner, and oh my gosh, I think my locks was actually missing that, because my hair just felt hydrated, it felt refreshing, it felt nice and soft. So I was kind of iffy about using conditioner on my Loc journey, because like it kind of contradicts. You're trying to lock your hair, but then you still want it to be soft. So I was kind of hesitant to use it, but I decided, you know what? I have a color in my hair. I'm trying to keep the color looking refreshed and shine and not dull. So I tried the conditioner thinking that it will do that, and it actually did. So I'll be using conditioner maybe once every 2 months or so, like kind of stretch it out. And yeah, my wash days are pretty great. And this is actually a comparison of week 2 wash day and month 9 wash day. Like the thickness the growth. It's even touching my shoulder now, kinda, you can see. And it's just going amazing, and this journey have taught me so much about patience, listening to my hair, to my locks, exactly what they want, when they need to be hydrated and everything like that. It keeps me aligned. For retwists, honestly, I go months without retwisting my hair. I say months, but usually like 2 months, close to 3 months. I honestly don't really realize the time is flying by. Honestly, my retwist with Hair PFJ was August 14th, and I used the Super Grow hair gel. And then my next retwist was October 18th. That was about 2 months, and I used my aloe gel for that retwist. And then my other retwist was December 10th. So that's about 2 months again, and I use oil and water. But honestly, guys, that the time really passes by because I usually just look at my hair, okay, it needs a wash, and then I see growth and I'm like, it can wait another week, it can wait another week. And then it's like, whoa, I really have to just stop what I'm doing and just retwist my hair, in all honesty, because I be going really nutty there, and no, I need to be looking cute at home for my husband, so I can't be looking like a rag doll sometimes. So I usually get the retwist done at least every 2 months, and I'm trying to bring it down to maybe like every month I do a retwist. But my hair is strong enough to actually not retwist for that time. And regarding the frizz, I'm not really noticing it much. I'm not sure if I got accustomed to it because it's like whatever, but I guess it's there, but it's not really there. But yeah, I'm honestly not noticing it too much, so frizz is still there, but it's alright. It's cool. That's it for my 9-month Loc update. Wash days have gotten amazing. The conditioner completes me, like honestly. When I tell you, it's like something was just missing from my wash routine. And when I use that conditioner in November, it's just like, wow, this is what I've been waiting for. Like, this is actually what I needed to complete my wash routine. Keep trimming my ends, keep my hair hydrated. I usually spray it with water, rose water and witch hazel maybe every week, or if I stretch it out, it'll be 2 weeks tops that I moisturize and hydrate my hair. That's about it for my Loc update. 9-month Loc update, actually. Growth, thickness is coming along for my 100 locks, and I'm loving it. So if you enjoyed this video, definitely hit that like button, leave a comment, let me know what your thoughts is about using conditioner on your Loc journey. Do you trim your ends? How are you going on your Loc journey? I want to hear from you, ladies and gents. Talk to me. Also, subscribe if you have not already, and definitely share this video with everyone that you think that will be interested, and let's grow these locks. So I'll see you guys until next time. Love, peace, and joy as always. Bye.